Good day, everybody. Hope you're staying healthy and happy. Just to get you warmed up, here's some economic data that's about as current as we can get at this point. I'm looking at this on the 24th of March 2020. GDP, most recent number is an estimate for 2019 from the Bureau of Economic Analysis. It was made the 30th of January, and the estimate's about 21.73 trillion, so a little less than 22 trillion. The unemployment rate as of March 6th, 3.5%, very low. We should note that due to the effects of the COVID-19 virus and the policies that are being enacted, that unemployment rate will be rising. We don't really have any reliable estimates for what that rate will rise to or how quickly. The U.S. population as of July of last year was 328 million and change. Out of that, under 18, 22.4%, 18 and over, 77.6%, over 65, 16%. So that's this many millions of people. Okay. So we could use that to analyze the stimulus package that Congress is considering now. The media is reporting something close to $2 trillion. There's a discussion about giving every adult $1,200. Let's define adult as 18 or over. So that would mean 254,713,870 people. So $1,200 times that would give us about $306 billion of that for cost. So if you wrote everybody a check that's 18 or over and gave them $1,200, that's what it would cost. Now it's going to be less than that because some people are not going to be getting a check because they make too much money. And I don't know what other aspects Congress might put in there to limit who gets the checks. But just in a broad sense, about $300 billion. There's also a discussion of a $500 billion slush fund for corporations. Let's say instead you gave that to adults. That would be another. So you get your $1,200 plus another on top of that, $1,963 per adult. So over $3,000. That doesn't mean you want to do that. I'm just showing you the data of what you might be able to do, scenarios, basically. Now, how about this one? Let's take the $2 trillion and just give it to adults in the U.S., okay? So that would end up with being almost $8,000 for every one of us. Give it as a lump, could spread it out over months, say, $2,000 per month for the next 4 months, roughly. Be a little less the last month, $1,852. Now, when you do that, a lot of that money is going to get to the corporations anyway, because you're going to spend it. And when you spend it in stores. So the businesses, corporations would end up getting the majority of that money anyway. So that's a little start for you on the current situation, economic situation. This would be called fiscal policy when you change government spending or change taxes or give rebates back to people, which is what we're looking at here. All right.